Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Little Miss Mar, and this is
Sabrina.
We are back today.
We're gonna do something incredible.
I've been posting in forever.
Hasn't
Shut
been
up.
opened. Don't care.
This is my YouTube channel. I will literally kick you off, and you'll stop doing your YouTube channel.
Technically, when I'm here, it's our YouTube channel.
Sure, let's go with that. Anyways, I'm sorry, I haven't been posting in forever.
We did some videos on my camera, and they turned out very cringe and weird. So,
but we didn't post them. We were gonna, but we didn't. So just gonna make one up right now. Actually,
no, we're gonna do this. Remember? Empty. I mean, not empty. Hasn't been opened. Pop. That we can potentially shake.
I
Carly?
think.
Yes, she is.
How do you know she was home?
Because I could hear her. I was standing up right there in the house. And then, I could hear her talking to Blair, just telling her to move her shoes. Okay, we're doing this.
No, let me shake it. I'm actually really good at shaking.
Yeah, you're really good at shaking. I'm not opening it, though.
That's not good enough.
We're going to put it against the floor because I don't want it to spill all over these chairs.
And I don't want it to spill all over my camera.
So we're going to put the camera back there.
Nope. I'm going to hold it and flip it towards this.
Oh, I didn't even know you were in there.
No, I'm doing it, not you. It's my
Open.
Coke.
Open it.
Okay, face the camera towards me.
No, I'm putting it right there.
There.
So put it on the floor, and then we'll see it explode.
Come on then.
Right there.
Oh, right here.
Yep, they can see you perfectly. Let go, let go. Quick, quick, quick. Are you even trying? That's because you took forever to open it.
Because I haven't.
Shake it up again.
Okay. Okay.
This is not good.
I know, it's very sad.
We're trying to get some YouTube content, and all we get is a broken bottle. Ah! Wait, no, stop. I want some. That was very successful.
And delicious.
Give me some. Okay. We need something else to hold my camera up.
Face towards me too, not just you. That was very successful. It was really. Although half my Coke is gone now, which is sad.
You agreed to do it. It was your idea. Do you have any more fun things that we can do in your trailer? Like grab something from your trailer and bring it back here.
No, nothing. Literally. Do you have your pencils? I want those.
No.
They're so
They're
salty.
mine.
I know, they're so salty. I'm in a salty mood.
I don't care what you are. You're being super cringy.
I thought you just said, I don't care what you are, as in salty or sweet.
Yeah, I don't care if you're in a salty or a sweet mood, because that's actually really dumb.
You say it all the time.
Oh, look at the beautiful sky. Okay, whatever. I'm done with the sky.
Everybody sees the sky now.
I don't care. I'm showing them how beautiful it is today.
The waves are crazy.
No one gives a damn about the waves.
You probably did when you were sailing.
Mm-hmm, sure
Did you sail
I did.
alone?
Yeah. Why are you so surprised? I do it all the time, you dingus.
Says you. You're the dingus.
How am I the dingus? You
throw
skip
insults
sailing.
at everybody. I didn't skip sailing.
I throw what? Insults?
Yeah.
What is insults? You mean insult? Not insult?
I didn't say cells. You literally said insults. What are insults? And then you said insults. Those are the same thing.
That's what you said. Okay, whatever. Yes, I don't do that at people.
Call my daddy's bald.
You agreed with me.
Well,
Okay, we're not doing this right now. We're
after this, I need to.
And no, you don't. Then we're not ending this until midnight. When I go to
Liar.
bed. Well, I'll run away from you. I'll
You're
lock
gonna
my
go to
trailer
bed
door.
at probably 9, because you have sailing. That's your bedtime.
Yeah, but that's when I'm supposed to go to bed. But I
Mine's
actually go to bed at
10.
9. So, stuck on that. Wait, I said 9.
I go to bed at 10. So
11. Stuck
no.
on that.
You just stay up late in your bed. I'm allowed to actually like stay up and do stuff.
Yeah, I stay up till 10.
As in like stay
When I'm not doing school. On weekends, I stay up till 11:30 or 11:50. And on school days, I stay up till 10:30.
Worth it. You want some more?
I have to get in a good position.
Get into a good position.
Wait.
Just put your head on there. No, that's a terrible position. Put your head on there. Yeah, that's. Worth it. This is just, if you're gonna spin it that way.
Ah. Refreshing! No, not again! Oh, this camera's so hard to handle.
That's better. This is the best. Want some more?
No. No. Okay.
Oh yeah. Put a ring on my finger, finger, finger. Wait. Something, marry me, marry. Something.
Can I want to make him want to marry me?
Ooh.
Okay. No, we're not getting married.
Crab apple.
I want my water, but it's behind the camera.
You want your water?
Yes, I do. All right, we're ending this video.
No, we're not.
We have nothing else to do.
Yes, we do. Watch
No, 'cause I wanna
this.
do something. Okay, it's good. All right, bye.
No, okay.
It's not gonna explode, obviously.
I don't care.
Oh, I taste tortellini. Tortellini. Ow. All right, we're going over here now, Sabrina. I don't care what you got. Come here.
Well, no, not in the process.
Hold it. Hold it.
I'm not gonna hold it.
Because I have to drink some water. I'm thirsty.
You thirsty?
I didn't drink any water today.
Hey.
Stop. You can't do that. Hold it.
Grumpy much.
Lift up your leg like this.
Okay, stop putting your finger over the camera. Okay, stop. Marley, stop. You're annoying the people. And me.
I don't care what you.
That doesn't even hurt. Ah, okay, that hurts.
Told you. Ew. I got dirt on me. Because
And
your crusty nails that you never clean. Crusty nails.
I cleaned them.
No, you have crusty nails.
I literally cleaned them yesterday.
Cool.
She's trying to act cool, even though she's really not. Oh my god, we recorded for 9 minutes.
I don't give a damn.
I don't give a damn. Bye. See ya.